Hello, wonderful people. I got a question on how to order on the Temu app. So this video is just to explain everything. It's very easy. Just go to your app store or your Play Store, download the app, do your normal registration that you do when you download a new app, and just open the app. Get to this page. This is the home page. But before that, there are some settings you need to do on the app. So you click on the U icon down here. When you do that, your name will definitely show. Close to the headset, the hexagon icon, click on that. And for your payment method, it's just your card details. Click on it and input your card details. I don't want to open it because it's going to show mine. The country or region, of course, just click on it and choose your country. If you're Nigeria, choose your country. All the countries here on the list, Temu delivers to them all. So choose your country, your language, choose the language, your currency, and the notification. You can also input your number. Just do your settings on the app, and once you've done all your settings, you can start ordering on the app. Also, for addresses, here under this particular point where addresses is indicated, you need to click on it and input your home address. Make sure it's the correct home address so that there are no confusions when it comes to your order being delivered. And after that, just start ordering. I already have things in my cart, so let's just get to it so that this video won't be long. And yes, so let's assume I've not chosen anything yet. It's written here 40,000 minimum to check. So you need to order. You must order up to 40k. If you don't order up to 40k, you will not be able to check out. And also, once you order up to 40k, you're eligible to for free shipping. So let me just choose random goods here for me to get to the 40k threshold. So let's check out now. Once you check out, your address and everything is going to show. Your card details is going to show. If you're in Nigeria, you also have the option of paying with a bank transfer. So once you click there, just follow the prompts, put in your details, and just do the bank transfer on the app, or you pay with your card. And once you do that, once you're able to pay, if you have enough money and the money is deducted successfully, you will get the information that payment has been successful. You see your delivery time, how much time is going to take for the order to be delivered. It's that easy and straightforward. You don't need to be scared. I don't know why people are scared of the whole thing. They said they are afraid of being scammed and all. Temu just started delivering to Nigeria. You don't need to be scared. I have someone that commented on a video I made on my YouTube channel. She said she already got her order from Temu. It was a doorstep delivery. She didn't have to pay anything extra. She didn't pay customs fee because someone was saying they saw the an information on the app that they have to pay for customs. I asked the girl, she said she didn't do anything like that. There is nothing like customs fee. Once you've done everything on the Temu app, your order, you've paid for the order on the Temu app, and everything is successful, you will definitely get your delivery within the time that is stated on the app. So after your payment, you can track your orders. Let me show you how to do that. Click on you, and under your orders, that's just it. Me, I have an order I'm actually expecting. You will see the track option here. Click on it and it will give you the time. All the details you need is going to be there. Aside from that, Temu will even send you email of when your order has been shipped, when it arrives, and all that. All the information you need, Temu will keep you updated and you can always track it. I hope this video has been able to clear up whatever confusions you may have about ordering on Temu. And also, I made inquiries from some people that was able to successfully place their order, what card they use. Some people said they use the OPay card, some their UBA MasterCard. Just any card you have, just try to use it. If it doesn't work, then do a bank transfer, because Temu has made it in such a way that you can pay with your Naira card. You don't need to worry about getting a dollar account or a dollar card. So any naira card you have, use it. If it doesn't work, then try the bank transfer. All right, have a nice day and thank you for watching. Bye.